We're going to show you what it looks like to open up a flat key from its box. Be careful when cutting through the strap that you don't damage any of the components in the box, such as a case. The top of the box is easily indicated by the strapping clamps that hold the straps. Muscle it open, remove the foam, and expose the legs and set them aside, as well as a case if you ordered your case, and the curve. From this point, with the hardware taken out, you could tear the plastic away from the bottom and immediately begin assembling the legs and the rest of the piano shell. Be careful when cutting open the wrap, as the wrap for the curve is under some amount of tension. We have another video available on how to put your flat key into its optional cases.